Hello, my name is Aaron Schaub, and I'm going to be analyzing an apology video from Samsung COO Tim Baxter. In this apology video, you will see Samsung COO Tim Baxter is apologizing for the Samsung phone batteries that would explode from overuse and overheating. Throughout this apology video, I think that this is a very good example of an apology that was very well executed. You can tell by the facial expressions that he is really sorry for all the incidents that have occurred, and by taking a closer look to his eyes, you can tell how much he cares about these situations and how he really wants to make everything right again. Looking at other parts of his body language, he continues to focus all of his attention on the camera. You never once see him looking away. You don't see him making any gestures that would make him seem nervous at all. He went about this very professionally. Throughout the whole apology, he never slouches and maintains a good posture, and you can tell that he's being very sincere during this whole apology. By making this apology video, I believe that it reduced the tension between the public and Samsung, which was exactly what Tim Baxter intended. He then goes through all the facts of the incidents and explains that Samsung is trying to do everything and working day and night to try to fix the problems and get new batteries for the phones. He goes on in saying that everyone who's bought a new phone will receive a new one by the end of the week at the time that this video was released. He talks about how safety should be the top priority, and he's sorry that in this case it was not taken serious enough. They released this phone too soon without proper testing. His intentions are really to regain everyone's trust again, and in my opinion, I think he did a good job. Once again, I feel this apology video was really well done, and I felt Samsung really took their time to make sure that everything was executed well. They felt really bad for the harm that was caused, and they want to make sure that everyone knows that they are going to do everything that they can do to be better in the future.